Today, I want to talk about one of the biggest office expenses with one of the least returns on investment. Hey, everybody, I'm Christopher Small. I'm the owner of Big Bird Accounting. We do your books so you don't have to. Stick around for more tax hacks, accounting, education, and business strategy. And if you want us to do your books, bigbirdaccountings.com. All right. I've learned this the hard way, and I'm going to just let the cat out of the bag. One of the biggest expenses for your business with the least return on investment is going to be, drum roll please, office space. All right. Do I have an office space right now? Yes, I do. I have had an office space since I opened my law firm. This is the third business I've opened, technically, this Big Bird Accounting. I have had an office since 2009 when I first opened my law firm. I've always had an office because I like to have a place to go to. I need a place for clients to be able to stop in, particularly for the legal business, signing estate plans, doing things like that. So we need some office space. But I have made many, many mistakes when it comes to the office space I was in that I want to let you know about so you don't waste money. Okay, here's what you need to know. Clients do not care if you have a fancy office. They don't care. What they do care about is the parking free? Is it easy to get to? Is it easy to access once they get there? Is it clean? It doesn't have to be a brand new building, but is it clean? Is it safe? Does it not make you look cheap? That's like the standard. Okay, you don't need a fancy high rise. You don't need a view. You don't need a deck. You don't need any of these things. And again, I have learned this the hard way. I had my very first office. I rented an individual office from a bigger office that let me use the conference room, let me do whatever I needed to do. Then I kind of graduated to an executive type of space. I was there for a long time. Then I graduated to sort of my own space. Then I thought fancy office is what we needed. I got a big old office, super expensive, and it didn't matter. We didn't sign up more clients, we didn't do more business, and that rent check I had to pay every month, and I just saw that money going out the window when it could be going in my pocket. So, if you are looking at your expenses, you are planning your business, you're wondering how you can become more profitable, think about the space that you have office. I can also tell you now, my office is it's relatively big. I think it's about 2,000 square feet. It has a nice conference room. It has like a bullpen area where my team can hang out. It has a reception area up front. It has like a little kitchen area. But I only pay 1/3 of the rent for all of it because I share the space with two other people. They have their own individual office like I do, like you can kind of see in the background. This is my office. The bullpen area is where my team sits and where their teams sit. And we do kind of a hybrid model where on a couple of days my team is here, on the other days their other teams are here. It's a great way to have a pretty decent space and not have to pay a huge price tag. So if you want some cool space or if you want some more space, think about finding people that also need office space and join forces with them. All right. The cool thing is, obviously, you get to write this space off. As you accumulate furniture and whatever, you get to depreciate it. You can buy fun things to have in your office, but you should not go for a fancy office unless, okay, there's one caveat. If you are catering to rich clients, wealthy clients, and you are going to be trying to convince them to sign up in your office, you should have a fancy office. Okay? That's what they expect. That's what they need. You have to meet their expectations. But here's the truth. If you're trying to sign up fancy clients, if you're trying to sign up rich, wealthy people, they're not coming to your office. You're going to them 99% of the time, or you're meeting on Zoom. So, get an office space if you need it. I'm telling you, I love my office. My office. Here's one other hack I'm going to tell you. This is a lifestyle hack, not even a tax hack. It's not an expense, nothing, it doesn't have anything to do with that. Get your office as close to your house as you can. My office is a mile away from my house, and I can't tell you how nice it is to not have to sit in traffic every single day for 30, 40, 50, 60 minutes going back and forth from my house to my office. All right. So that's it. All right. This is the biggest expense with the least bang for the buck. All right. Hopefully this made sense. If it did, that's great. Like, comment, follow. If you disagree with me, let me know. Happy to hear it. Um, Subscribe if you're someplace you can subscribe if you don't want to miss out, because we got more great stuff coming. All right. As always, I am Christopher Small, the owner of Big Bird Accounting. Um, if you want us to help you, bigbirdaccounting.com. All right. That is it for today. Thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. Have a great one. See ya.